Welcome to Spritz. We're here to help you get more real-world value out of your crypto. Use the Spritz app to make bill payments with crypto directly from your wallet or off-ramp to your bank account without having to go through a centralized exchange. Now you can also open a Spritz card, load it with crypto, and make fiat payments at thousands of merchants in the real world. Here I'm going to show you how you can set up your Spritz profile in the app and start off-ramping your crypto by following a few quick steps. After signing up to Spritz and creating your account, you'll first need to verify your email. After your email is verified in the app, you'll be taken to your bills screen where you'll be prompted to complete the next step in securing your account through a two-factor phone authentication. Click on Verify Your Identity, where you'll be taken to enter your country of residence, mobile phone number, and legal first and last name. Enter your details, then click to send your verification to your phone. Once received via text message, you can enter the code and complete the next step. Once successfully verified, you will gain access to the Spritz Beta app. From here, you can start adding bills, connect to your preferred Web3 wallet, and off-ramp to your bank account. Today, we're going to show you how to off-ramp. Once you've connected your account, you can off-ramp your crypto. Just click Off-Ramp Crypto, then choose your preferred wallet. If you don't have MetaMask wallet or Coinbase, you can click on Wallet Connect to find your preferred wallet listed there. I'm going to do MetaMask and connect my MetaMask really quick. Today I'm going to make a payment through Polygon. I'm going to off-ramp $1 from my Polygon USDC into my checking account. Just click off-ramp, initiate the transaction, approve the token in your wallet, then confirm the transaction on the blockchain. And that's it. That's all you have to do to make a payment to your bank account with crypto.